Hi, I'm Arnav, and welcome to the BCA MRL. This is my project, UVC Disinfection in Classrooms and Workspaces. My innovation aims to disinfect classrooms like the one I currently work in using UVC technology. UVC technology can disinfect workspaces up to 99.996% in 10 to 15 minutes. Let's start with the outside. On the outside, you can notice a halo right here with 6 LEDs simulating UVC modules. In the middle, you can notice a PIR sensor detecting human and other personnel motion. Up in the front, you can notice an LCD panel for user interface. The user can note Bluetooth connection and other minor updates. Going to the inside, we can look at the halo formation from the inside with the PIR module in the middle. On the right, there's a Bluetooth module working off low energy Bluetooth. This allows you to connect to smartphones and modern day devices. This is my Arduino Mega. The Mega is the microcontroller behind the entire prototype. Altogether, this project works to disinfect classrooms and be a cost-effective and safe modern day disinfection unit. Now let's see it working. Interface between the user and the device. Let's just turn it on real quick so you can see. So right away we can see Bluetooth connected. And later on, if we don't do anything, it will say the runtime since it's last actually progressed and done its cycle. Lastly, once you come back and the entire system is off, it will show you things such as motion detected or event stopped. Now, moving on, this is 6 LEDs up here in parallel, which are simulating the UVC diodes that would be in place. But for safety purposes, we're mocking them with a LED setup. Now, moving on, and the last and most important part is the PIR sensor on top, which detects motion up to 7 meters or 23 feet away. That is important because it can detect any motion immediately. Now, let me actually show you how sensitive and how effective it is. Let's turn it right on, and you can see it turns right on. It turns on right away. I'm being extremely still because it will realize that I'm moving. But if we move, it will immediately shut off. Let's see that again. I'm still, I can even move, and it shuts off. You can see how effective this project is. This entire system works together to be user-friendly and very safe for school environments, as it can detect any sort of people or students still in the classroom. Thank you for your time.